Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to install Suno AI on your Android phone. The process is quick and easy, and you'll be ready to start creating AI-generated music in just a few minutes. Step 1. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so the app can download smoothly. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Suno, then tap the search button on your keyboard. A list of matching apps will appear. Step 3. Find the official Suno app in the search results. Before you install it, take a second to confirm that the developer is Suno Inc. This helps you avoid downloading an unofficial or fake version of the app. Step 4. Once you've found the correct app, tap the install button. Google Play will begin downloading and installing Suno automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Step 5. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If it's your first time using Suno, you'll be asked to sign in or create a new account. After that, you can explore the app, enter your own prompts, generate original songs, and discover the different tools Suno offers for creating music with AI. That's all for this guide. Enjoy using Suno AI and creating unique music right from your Android phone.